My name's Geraint Evans. I'm the YO from Ysgol Gyfyn Rydwain, and I've nominated Perthyn for the Contribution to Wellbeing Award.
I was working with a number of pupils who were coming to me looking for support for LGBTQ issues, and I also identified within their friendship groups a great support network of young people who were already doing a really good job of being allies to their LGBTQ friends.
I'd say what we've been doing so far is getting the word out and...
Doors are open.
The doors are open.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so during Allies Week we gave out pin badges to anyone so that they could show their support for the community. So the badge is for our club, so the P standing for Perthyn, and we designed it so that it would look like the ally flag. We want to create an environment where understanding and being an ally is the norm.
And not like an exception.
Yeah.
We plan on doing a mentorship programme to try and make us more qualified to help younger students become the next leaders of this club.
Yeah, when we leave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to become involved, and we purchased some resources for the group and help support them further.
Public Perthyn.
I'm sure you'll smash it.
Woo! Stay gay.
Stay gay.